Hello everyone, welcome to Mr. Cop's channel. This is a little intro and brief about my background. So, since I got a few requests from some of the viewers of making videos on Excel, since Excel is used extensively in the corporate world, especially in the finance and accounting space, and the agenda of our YouTube channel is to focus on that niche area, people working in corporates in the finance and accounting domain. So, just to help them, I will be coming up with some Excel videos and few macros and VBA videos, which will be sometime later. So, yep. Proceeding with this, we have a small table with list of invoices, invoice dates, amount, and currency. Okay. So the first task is to find invoices which are due, and the condition is that which is greater than or equal to 60 days are due. So let's find due or not due. Okay. Now we need to have a cutoff date with which we will find whether it is due or not. Okay. So let's use the today function to find. So this is the format. If you see the format is not same. So let's format it. Got the formatting. Now to do this, we need to use the if function. So the first formula which we will learn is if. Now if this minus this is greater than 60. No, it should be greater than equal to 60. If it is 60 or greater than 60, then it will be due or else not due. Okay. Now, if I copy and paste this formula here, these will give me errors. See, errors. Now, reason being, we didn't freeze this particular cell number, the 3rd of March cell. You see over here, not freeze, it is moving. This is another Excel's functionality that as and when you copy paste the formula, it references the cell with the same, uh, how we can put it, cell difference. So if the difference between from this cell to this cell was difference of one cell, and on the left hand side it was two cells, so every time you copy paste it will follow the same logic. So to avoid this, we need to fix certain cells, which is by adding dollar signs, which can be done using F4 function. Now we will not get this error. Okay. Now how to validate our results, whether it is true or not. So let's quickly find the aging of these invoices. Again, what mistake? We didn't freeze it. So let's go ahead and freeze it. Okay. So since this is less than 60, not due, greater than 60, due, not due, not due, due, not due. Both are greater than 60, so due. And this one is exactly 1 day less than 60, so not due. So yeah. So first task done. Second task is international invoices are due in 60 days. Okay. So let's take USD as the local currency and or everything else as the international. So anything which is international, which is other than USD, will be having the due date of 60 days, 90 days, and USD will be having a due date of 60 days. So USDs will be having a due date of 60 days, and non-USD. So this is non-USD. We will be having cutoff date of 90 days. Oops, sorry. Yeah. Now we need two functions. I mean, two conditions. One, USD and greater than or equal to 60 days. Then it will be due. If it is a non-USD, then it should be greater than equal to 90 days. Then it will be due. So two conditions. This both need to be fulfilled to be due, and this both need to be fulfilled to be due. Anything out of this will be not due. Okay, so let's modify our formula. So we have the first logic. If we need to use and, okay, and so the 60 days logic is still there. Now the 60 days condition is for the USD currency one. So if this cell is equal to USD, let's fix this one, then it will be due. 1 second, then it will be due, right? Now, the moment we go inside this bracket, it is into and. The moment we come out, it is into if function. The logic is done. The true value is due. So if it is greater than 60 days or equal to 60 days and the currency is USD, then it is due. But we need another condition. So we will use another if. So if this is false, then go ahead with another condition, another logic. So if helps us bring in another logic. Again, and. Now what? Same thing. If this freeze it minus this, so we haven't given a bracket over here, is greater than equal to 90. And the second logic is this currency is not equal to. So this is the symbol for not equal to. Okay, if it is not equal to USD, let's fix this. Then it is due, else not due. Okay, now let's close both the ifs. We got. So see, this is USD, but greater than less than 60, so not due. This is C, non-USD international and greater than 90 days, so it is due. This is USD and equal to 60 days, so it is due. So yep, this is how we use if and if with and nested if we call it. Thank you so much for watching this video.